There's a new LinkedIn lead generation playbook taking over in 2026, and the companies that are bringing in the most qualified leads from LinkedIn are the ones nailing 3 core pillars of the playbook. So I'm going to break down each pillar with real world examples so you can shortcut straight to what's working right now. This first pillar helps you avoid algorithm changes that are secretly destroying your strategy. Within the last 6 months, an algorithm change on LinkedIn resulted in all the gurus, who by the way only post content about how to make LinkedIn content, losing up to 90% of their impressions overnight. Now, the effectiveness of thought leadership content hasn't disappeared, but the hacks that you could use to force impressions did. I was trying to figure out a way to get around this fairly dramatic algorithm change. So I analyzed our own sales and found that 84% of all clients that we closed had at some point interacted with us via LinkedIn DMs and had seen our content in their feed. And the first pillar of this new strategy allows us to ensure prospects see our content and also gets them to message us directly. So not only do you get a lead, but you also have an initial method of comms open with the prospect that you know that they're active in. So now I'm going to show you how you can get leads into your inbox on a daily basis, predictably and reliably. So for this, we need some form of a lead magnet. Your business should have some form of tangible offering that directly addresses the core problem your target audience faces. And the lead magnet should just be explaining how to achieve that outcome. So for example, if your offer is, we help tech companies reduce their staffing costs by 50%, then your lead magnet is simply how to reduce your staffing costs by 50%. The lead magnet just explains the mechanism that you use to deliver the result that you promise. Now, what you do is you post on your personal feed offering this lead magnet. If you're wondering what the format of this post is, here's an example. The key here is that at the end of the post, the call to action is for the person reading it to send you a direct message to gain access to the lead magnet. What this does is it gets people who are actively looking to resolve the issue you resolve opening a conversation with you. However, we're not done. Next, head to the LinkedIn Ads Manager and build an audience of your ideal customer profile, and then set up a simple brand awareness campaign. Now, if you want a detailed guide on how to do this, I have a few LinkedIn ads guides on this YouTube channel which show you exactly how to do that step by step. So subscribe if you don't want to lose your way back here later. Now, you can boost the post from your personal profile by pressing Browse Existing Content when you get to the ad creation stage of building your campaign. What this does is guarantees reach to your ideal prospects so you can get the benefits of thought leadership and it prompts them to message you. But this is only the first step of the best LinkedIn lead generation strategy in 2026. If you stack this next point, trust me, your pipeline growth will explode. So I used to run a video production company, and after years of running a flourishing business, which was entirely reliant on network and referrals, work was drying up, and I realized I didn't have a clue what I was doing. I needed guidance, but the problem was that funds were drying up fast. Thankfully, I had an idea. I looked up business coaches in my local area and I found 3. Then I set up my camera, much like this. I wrote a script and I filmed a video explaining a proposal. I'll film video content for your business if you're willing to mentor me. So I edited the videos, I sent them off, and that action genuinely changed the course of my life. So this right here is the actual video I sent. Side note, after seeing this, I'm never shaving my facial hair off ever again. Now, one of the coaches I sent this video to, who ran his own very successful business locally, got back to me immediately, like the same day. He said he loved the approach. In fact, I later found out he showed it to everyone in his office, and he wanted to mentor me. Now, the outcome was slightly different to what I intended. Whilst he did give me some advice, he ended up getting me clients by referring me to his existing client base, which thankfully helped my business not go under. Now, unfortunately, a year later, COVID hit, and my business model of going to people's businesses to film promotional content literally stopped working overnight. So I had to pivot, and yet again, I was in this dire situation. I needed clients really fast, and no one was going to help me. But then I realized, wait a minute, I created this fancy video to get someone to coach me, and it led to this entire year of my life that I could not have predicted. limited. So why not just use that exact same approach to get clients? So that's what I did. Instead of setting up my big camera and lighting, I just used Loom. And instead of a heavily scripted video, I would do a really quick rundown of someone's video content or their website, give some tips on how to improve. I'd then send them the video, and at the end, I'd upsell them to a free one-on-one strategy call, which I could then use to further upsell to our paid services. And surprise, surprise, it worked. In fact, I have clients today I got from that approach nearly 5 years ago. So now I'm going to show you how you can use this same principle of personalized outreach, but updated for 2026, so you can get sales calls with high quality prospects on demand. First, head to LinkedIn Sales Navigator and click on lead filters and start adding search criteria for your ideal target audience. Now, once you've got a strong search, you want to go down this list on a daily basis and connect with about 20 people. You can automate this using tools like Dripify if you want to. Also, John's fun fact time, connection rates are slightly higher without a note being added, and it's faster, so win-win. Now, once someone has connected, we want to reach out to the person. The key here is personalization. Unfortunately, automation is amazing for saving time, but it also tanks the effectiveness of manual outreach. So your message should be really simple. Now, the optimal approach, I'll be honest, is to send a Loom video, as it is so hyper personalized, you stand out like crazy. But I'll be honest, this is very time consuming and you might not feel comfortable on camera. So instead, you can open the conversation with a personalized compliment specific to something they've done, like a recent accolade or a post they've done. Once they reply to this initial message, we then want to offer them something else for free. Now, this will vary depending on who you're targeting and what your offer is, so you will need to test different approaches. But ideally, you would offer some sort of a lead magnet for free. And then if they accept the lead magnet, you can use that to carry the conversation and upsell them to a call. But this is very, very important. Instead of the call being, which is what everyone does, let's chat to discuss how we can work together, you would offer them something of value. So it's all about framing. So for example, a free strategy session or an audit or a workshop are all good examples. Now, as a bonus to make this strategy stronger and tie it into the first point, you can rip a list of contacts you are reaching out to from Sales Navigator, and then you can upload them to the campaign you set up in the first point I covered. What this means is, before you message these people, they will have been seeing your content in their feed because you paid for that, which makes them way more warm to you and further improves response rates. Now, this next point is both the capstone and the glue that holds everything together. We are currently using it, and it generates calls booked into my diary with qualified leads at a cost of £80 per book call, which, by the way, if you don't know, for B2B is insane. Now, when I had that video production company, part of my content strategy was filming short comedy skits and posting them on LinkedIn. And I'll be honest, they outperformed everything else I did. Now, what I noticed was that when I was on calls with prospects, they mentioned that if they had seen my comedy skits and they'd enjoyed them, they were pretty much guaranteed to close. Now, I operated in a small area and my network was local, so the chances were actually fairly decent that someone would see them. But for something so effective, I wanted to make sure everyone saw them. Thankfully, I found a very simple strategy you only need to set up once to replicate this success. So head back to the LinkedIn Ads Manager and then click on Plan on the left-hand side, then click Audiences, then press Create Audience and select a matched audience. Now you want to set up audiences of people that visited your website, your company page, and anyone that clicked on the post you set up in that brand awareness campaign that we did at the start of this video. Now, build out a campaign and set the audience to be these remarketing audiences. In this campaign, add in a mix of content that does the following: educates as to how your service works, entertains people by simply brightening up their day. There's no selling, for example, comedy skits, memes, that kind of thing, and answer any common questions or objections people might have who are in the buying process. If you set this campaign up, then all of your prospects will consistently see you throughout the entire sales process And trust me, your close rates will skyrocket. But there is more. You see, this is the best LinkedIn lead generation strategy in 2026, but you can turn all of this up to 11. You see, the ultimate lead generation strategy not only includes LinkedIn lead generation, it also ensures you have your messaging dialed in and you can nurture leads, ideally on autopilot to save you time, so that you can actually convert them. Thankfully, I have made an end-to-end client acquisition system I've called the Control Growth Framework that shows you how to nail all of this. So if you want to apply to work with me directly, where I'll help you implement this whole system, just click the link below. Or if you want to see the full system in its entirety, you can click here and watch it right now entirely for free. I'll see you over there.